Hello Pisces, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and in this video we'll be seeing as to what can be expected for you in the month of June. And as they are general readings, they won't be resonating with each and every one of you, so just take what resonates and leave the rest. And for the personal readings, the details are given in the description box below. So with the Page of Swords, there is definitely a new beginning, but you're feeling a little restless. You really want something, you want to be seen, you want success in something, but the thing is that you are being a little restless. But you are ready to learn, you are working for it, you want the results are pretty fast. But then yes, you are trying hard, you have the clarity, you have that mind, okay, no, I really want it, and how should I go about with it? Okay, so you are moving towards the right path and you want the success in this, and you will get it. Okay, the thing is, just don't be restless and try to spend your time in a constructive way. Do not waste your time here and there. That is the only thing. While you are being restless, do not waste your time, just focus on your goal and you will find victory in this direction. And with the Temperance and Emperor being there, being next, so definitely here with the Six of Wands, you are actually being seen, you are feeling very, very good, you are celebrated, you are victorious over here. Okay, and with the Temperance, the guidance here is do not let it get into your head. Do not go to the extremes. Just take a moderate approach in whatever this is. Do not, what I'm getting here is, do not let this success get into your head. Just take a moderate approach. Do not go to the extremes. Don't do or die type of a thing. It is just take the middle path. Whatever decision has to be taken, take from a place of moderation. With the Emperor and the Hermit being next, what I feel is this is, you are gaining power. It can be a promotion or something like that, but here you are definitely gaining power over something. This success seems to be regarding, it can be a promotion though, but it is something which is putting you in a place of authority. It's putting you in a very good space over here. Okay, so what I feel here is that maybe you've been talking about something, about this achievement, this is what you want to someone, and once you get it, don't let it get into your head and don't be arrogant about it. And with the Hermit being there, this is the time you're just taking off to just contemplate, listening to your inner voice and all. But with the Ace of Cups, there is definitely a new beginning coming in. Do not be open to the new beginnings. Do not let anything hold you back over here. Okay, do not hold any fear of you hold you back from the new beginnings. Maybe with the Hermit and the Ace of Cups, if you are being too isolated or too secluded, you need to have some moderation there also. You need to have that moderation, that you need to go and be open to accept love and give love type of a thing. Okay, so definitely there is a new beginning coming in over here with the Ace of Cups and with the Five of Wands and the Ace of Pentacles. Again, what I feel is there may be some sort of a conflict after you've realized that this is definitely a new beginning, and there may be some sort of a competition or some sort of a you can say conflict over here as to what to do, what not to do. If you feel it's promoting you, it's helping you, whatever this is, it can be an argument, and if it is a constructive one, go ahead with it. If you feel it is not a constructive one, you need to go alone. So that you have to see whatever it is, but definitely there is some sort of a conflicting energy coming up over here with the Five of Wands. But with the Ace of Pentacles, definitely you are able to put stability to whatever this is new. This is a new beginning definitely coming in over here. And with the Ace of Pentacles, you really are able to put roots to this new beginning. It is something really good which is going to be stable. It is a stable new beginning. With the Hangman being next, what I feel is that you are just thinking as to, yes, you have this new beginning, how should I proceed? You are just trying to think out of the box. You are giving yourself the time to think as to how to manifest it, how to go about with this. And with the Ten of Wheels, you are actually manifesting. You are thinking right. You are trying to think of all the pros and cons as to how you should manifest this new beginning in a correct way. And with the Ten of Wheels, definitely you are able to do that. With the Knight of Wands, the Knight of Wands, the Knight of Cups and the Lovers. So there is definitely a change coming in. If it is a love situation which has been hanging over or it was stuck for some reason, then maybe you will be able to make a progress in that direction. With the Knight of Wands, you really have the passion and the drive to achieve it. With the Knight of Cups, definitely a lot of emotions. And with the Lovers, it talks about a relationship or a partnership over here, which is beautiful, which is committed, which is long term. So definitely you are able to get into the space of having a new beginning over here. But the thing is, if you are spending that time, you really, the guidance is that do not sort of waste your time. You just need to, in this, do not be restless and don't waste your time as to you want immediate results. Go slow and keep on moving as your intuition guides you. You will definitely have success in this direction. It is definitely talking about bringing about a change. Maybe if you're expecting somebody, then maybe you really have somebody opening up for love, and maybe you are entering into a relationship here. So let's see what is the message from this deck. The Magician, the King of Clubs, the Magician. So definitely you are manifesting new beginnings. It is the time for new beginnings here, Pisces. Let's see what is the guidance from the angels. Four of Emotion. There are wonderful people who wish to help you. Opportunities are being offered to you, but you aren't noticing or trusting the gifts heaven is bestowing upon you. Look around you. Daydreaming or going within is a healthy way to get clarity, as long as you act upon your dreams. Okay, so Pisces, it is a beautiful time in your life. You are going to get success in whatever you are wanting, whatever aspect of your life you're wanting to. Just focus on the right things. So that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye.